Did you know that most so-called dirt is actually the growth of algae, lichen, fungi, moss or mould? And have you noticed how your property becomes dirty again after it's been jet washed, and shockingly fast? This is because live spores left behind after power washing rapidly recolonize the surface. This is the main reason outside surfaces rapidly turn green, red or black in a very short time after cleaning. Permacleanse solves this problem by controlling these growths through the cleaning method we call soft washing. By applying Permacleanse only once or twice a year, you can stop these growths from colonizing your paths, patios, driveways, fences, sheds and decking. This means they will remain permanently clean and without the mess pressure washing creates. Apply Permacleanse immediately or soon after pressure washing, soft wash pre-cleaning or at the first sign of recolonization. Application can be easier and takes almost no effort. Simply spray, walk away and let nature wash away the remains of the growths. If you are concerned about our environment, then you can relax, safe in the knowledge that Permacleanse is fully biodegradable and environmentally responsible. Visit bensoftwash.com to learn more about Permacleanse and our other soft washing products.